Hello, Eleni Shiamtanis here. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to do a 3-puddle bloom on a neutral background, like a beige background, and let's see how we go. Let me show you my colours. Let's go mix them up. All my paints are mixed with 25% paint, 25% Liquitex medium, 50% glue mix. The glue is 60% glue, 40% water. These are my colours for today. I've got Mars Black, which is going to be the cell activator, strawberry, pearl strawberry red by Arttherapy, and then we have fluorescent mild yellow, shining pink, fluorescent lights, apricot, and these are Magic Fly. And then we have Deco Art Metallics Gold. And I'm going to use warm beige for the base. I'm going to use some white as well. Show you a close-up. First of all, look at that stem. It's really, really pretty. The little cells coming off of it. So these kind of 3 blooms turned out really lovely. Some lovely cells and lacing. And I like the way the colours are in like bands of colour rather than mingled in too much. I love this part here. It just has so much depth and movement. Such a lovely flow. And I love, excuse me, the neutral background. Really lovely. I hope this dries well. And I will be back to show you the dry result. So here we are with the dried result, and I'm really pleased with this. This is what I love about Fluidart, the level of detail you can achieve. If you were to do a fine painting, it would take weeks to get this kind of detail. I did embellish it a little bit with a little bit of gold here and there. I absolutely love it. And Fluidart is just so therapeutic. I think the longest time taken is mixing colours and then cleaning up after. But as long as you've got your mixture right and your design sort out, it can take a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, but just love all the cells and the lacing and how organic this is. And it actually looks 3D. Really lovely. And the little bubbly stem is just really cute. And I love it. Love these colours. So shiny and iridescent. It sort of changes colour. Really pretty. So let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate any comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.